I noticed you often say schedule with a hard K sound, but in British English it's softer, more like schedule.
That softer pronunciation feels unusual to me, though I can hear how it flows more smoothly.
Another word is advertisement, where British English stresses the second syllable instead of the third.
The rhythm changes completely when I shift the stress and it sounds more formal.
You sometimes pronounce vitamin with a long I, but in British English it's vitamin.
Shortening the vowel makes the word sharper, almost clipped in tone.
The word garage is often said as garage in British English, not garage.
That softer ending gives it a more elegant sound.
Leisure is pronounced leisure in British English, not leisure.
The difference feels subtle, yet it changes the mood of the word.
Data is usually data in British English, not data.
That pronunciation feels brighter and more precise.
Privacy is pronounced privacy in British English, not privacy.
The short I sound makes it feel more reserved.
Tomato is tomato in British English, not tomato.
That version feels more rounded and traditional.
Herb keeps the H sound in British English, unlike the silent H in American English.
Adding the H makes the word feel sturdier.
Controversy is stressed on the first syllable in British English, not the second.
That shift in stress changes the entire rhythm of the sentence.
When you say schedule, the British way softens the consonant and feels less harsh.
I can sense how it blends better with other words.
Advertisement with the British stress sounds almost musical.
It carries a formal tone that feels more polished.
Vitamin with the short I makes the word sound brisk.
That briskness gives it a practical edge.
Garage with the soft ending feels refined.
It reminds me of how British English often smooths sounds.
Leisure pronounced leisure feels relaxed.
It paints a picture of calm afternoons.
Data as data feels clear.
That clarity makes it easier to emphasize in speech.
Privacy with priv feels more modest.
It conveys a sense of discretion.
Tomato with ma feels classic.
It echoes traditional British dining.
Herb with the H feels grounded.
It adds weight to the word.
Controversy stressed early feels deliberate.
It makes the word sound authoritative.
Saying schedule the British way softens the impact.
That softness feels polite.
Advertisement with British stress feels balanced.
It balances the syllables evenly.
Vitamin with short vowels feels efficient.
Efficiency suits scientific context.
Garage with Raj feels stylish.
Stylishness fits British culture.
Leisure with Lej feels soothing.
Soothing tones match relaxation.
Data with day feels precise.
Precision makes it sound academic.
Privacy with priv feels subtle.
Subtlety adds refinement.
Tomato with ma feels elegant.
Elegance suits British pronunciation.
Herb with H feels natural.
Natural sounds feel authentic.
Controversy with early stress feels firm.
Firmness adds authority.
Schedule softened feels approachable.
Approachability makes it friendly.
Advertisement balanced feels rhythmic.
Rhythm enhances communication.
Vitamin brisk feels lively.
Liveliness energizes speech.
Garage softened feels graceful.
Gracefulness enriches tone.
Leisure soothing feels gentle.
Gentleness calms listeners.
Data precise feels logical.
Logic strengthens arguments.
Privacy subtle feels dignified.
Dignity elevates meaning.
Tomato elegant feels cultured.
Culture shapes pronunciation.
Herb natural feels earthy.
Earthiness grounds language.
Controversy firm feels confident.
Confidence empowers speech.
Schedule soft feels refined.
Refinement adds charm.
Advertisement rhythmic feels formal.
Formality suits announcements.
Vitamin lively feels spirited.
Spirit adds vitality.
Garage graceful feels polished.
Polish enhances clarity.
Leisure gentle feels pleasant.
Pleasant tones invite comfort.
Data logical feels structured.
Structure supports arguments.
Privacy dignified feels respectful.
Respect strengthens trust.
Tomato cultured feels traditional.
Tradition enriches heritage.
Herb earthy feels wholesome.
Wholesomeness adds warmth.
Controversy confident feels assertive.
Assertiveness commands attention.
Schedule refined feels elegant.
Elegance enhances speech.
Advertisement formal feels distinguished.
Distinction elevates tone.
Vitamin spirited feels energetic.
Energy enlivens dialogue.
Garage polished feels sophisticated.
Sophistication enriches language.
Leisure pleasant feels inviting.
Invitation encourages relaxation.
Data structured feels organized.
Organization clarifies meaning.
Privacy respectful feels honorable.
Honor dignifies speech.
Tomato traditional feels classic.
Classic tones endure.
Herb wholesome feels pure.
Purity strengthens imagery.
Controversy assertive feels strong.
Strength empowers words.
Schedule elegant feels smooth.
Smoothness eases conversation.
Advertisement distinguished feels noble.
Nobility enriches diction.
Vitamin energetic feels fresh.
Freshness brightens tone.
Garage sophisticated feels chic.
Chicness modernizes speech.
Leisure inviting feels warm.
Warmth comforts listeners.
Data organized feels systematic.
Systems support clarity.
Privacy honorable feels upright.
Uprightness builds trust.
Tomato classic feels timeless.
Timelessness preserves culture.
Herb pure feels authentic.
Authenticity enriches meaning.
Controversy strong feels commanding.
Commanding tones lead discussions.
Schedule smooth feels polished.
Polish refines language.
Advertisement noble feels grand.
Grandeur elevates speech.
Vitamin fresh feels crisp.
Crispness sharpens tone.
Garage chic feels modern.
Modernity updates pronunciation.